Championship fight na isa sa pinakahinahangaan ng Pinoy na si Pacquiao, ilang beses pinabagsak ang kalaban. Suot na rosaryo ni Pacquiao sa tuwing ito ay lalaban. Sinuot ng isang Pinoy sa championship fight niya. Nagmistulang Pacquiao sa bilis ang Pinoy na ito. Bagsak ng ilang beses kada rounds ang kalaban, hindi man lang binilangan ng referee ang kanyang kababayan. Nakaupo na sa lubid ang kalaban ng paulanan ng walang tigil ng Pinoy. Hindi man lang inawat ng referee para bilangan itong kalaban. Sa pulsa malinis na sabayan at kitang-kita ng mga commentator na knockdown ng resulta. Referee tila nadulas lamang daw ito.
And that is why. Oh! Just a slip.
Referee's calling it a slip.
But how quick is he to get into the neutral corner?
Randy Petalcurin nakatungtong sa flyweight division na kung saan nang dumayo ito sa bansang Australia ay pinagkaisa nito ng buong sambayanan. Na kung saan dito rin sa bansang ito nadali ang pambansang kamao na si Pacquiao kontra kay Jeff Horn. Isa sa pinakinaalagaan nitong mga Australiano, ang Tanzania na si Omari Kinweri na kung saan nakabase na ito sa Australia. Nahawak ang numero sa kanilang laban na 15 wins, 6 knockouts at meron palang 3 talo. Si Randy Petalcurin na isa sa mga kinikilala bilang knockout artist sa kanyang bawat laban. Walang laban ito sa labas ng ating bansa na hindi nito pinapabagsak ang kanyang mga nakakalaban. Subalit nang ito ay mapalaban para sa titulong WBC Silver Flyweight title, kahit anong bagsak na itong kanyang kalaban ay nagbulag-bulagan lamang ang nasabing hurado at referee sa laban. Hawak ni Petalcurin ang kartada na 23 wins, 18 knockouts at isa pa lamang ang talo. Unang round pa lamang sabay na agad itong dalawang boksingero. Palitan ng malalakas na suntok ang bungad sa mga manonood.
As you'd expect.
Omari.
Kinweri going in hard.
And keeping his composure though after that flurry that
Huge opportunity. Else in the ball of boxing.
Unang knockdown ng Pinoy sa malinis na palitan mga bossing. Kitang-kita na pinalabas lang ng referee na nadulas lamang ito.
Oh, straight left hand.
And that is why. Oh! Just a slip.
Referee's calling it a slip.
But how quick is he to get in? Stalking forward. This shout out to Paris. Sitting the van there.
Gustong makabawi nitong kalaban pagtunog pa lang ng bell para sa ikalawang round.
Greatness is calling for one of these men. Who will it be?
Murray coming out, letting go, all guns blazes.
He's throwing wild. He's throwing wild punches though, and he needs to calm down, keep it.
Something different now from where he's switching the southpaw, gets low, clinches up, power from your preferred side. However, you may
That tells me it affected him.
clubbing left hand like a lad. Brother.
Dito nga bago matapos ang laban, naligo pa ng suntok itong kalaban. Swinerte lang dahil tumunog na ang bell. Galit na galit pa nga itong coach ng kalaban sa referee na para bang sinasabi na hindi agad inawat itong nagwawalang Pinoy.
He's not.
His shots are a lot of wild throwing.
And they're straight. They're not wild.
Look at that. Oh, the bell.
Oh,
Well, a little bit of controversy.
we gotta fight. We gotta fight, gentlemen.
A little bit of controversy to finish the second. Was right on the knockout. Oh, big shots.
Definitely fired him up. He wants to just bring it on, Kimwa.
Have a look at the footwork and movement.
Oh, beautiful target right.
Yeah, record, yeah.
Well, on the boxing correct stats.
See, that's
Fine.
That's their game plan. They've come in there, and that's the only way you beat the collar.
oh, beautiful.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful right hook, straight left. Oh,
Needs to get his guard closer.
Two.
Yeah, on the swing, he gets a little bit for accuracy on something there from the big left hand.
beautiful. He's not just standing there like a sitting duck.
He's moving the movement.
Oh,
I'd like to see him hit with a bit more of the front of the glove.
Yeah, definitely.
about 4 or 5 already burning. So might get a point taken away from him if he continues this.
It's Randy Petalcurin, hasn't he? He's nice textbook stuff.
Just talking, just changing the angles, changing the angles.
Movement steps in nicely to break distance as well. Petalcurin, but I tell you what, when if you're going to score aggression, you've got to get...
That's going to tell him to lay around.
Yeah, the central movement.
Parang Pacquiao nga talaga itong gumalaw si Petalcorin. Hindi takot makipagsabayan sa kalaban. Parang si Pacquiao ang lumalaban.
Out on Petalcorin.
That is the shot where he now again steps through with like the natural power base you have in your original stance. And now that Kimweri's gone back to be landing with a lot more substantial power.
Yeah. 12 in the WBC flyweight title.
By Kimweri and stepping
I
through.
think, Randy, is that when you fight someone that's weak and they're not coming straight, sometimes they hit you more than guys that actually punch them straight like the correct guys.
Right down the middle. Throwing them in pairs. 1-2, 1-2.
Hindi nagpapatalo talaga itong si Kabayan. Sabayan kung sabayan.
Got hit with 2 jabs in a row.
This is, I think this is where he looks a little bit again centering up the altitude logo.
Good combination by Petalcorin.
Oh, big left hand.
Oh, they tried to
Giving him a taste of his own medicine there. If you want to play the same game that Almari is. Jab, good jab.
steps back, good base, good upper body movement. The 1-2 not coming levels nicely. The cross when he gets the opportunity, bang! There goes that rear hand. WBC Championship on the line of this championship bout.
Sa galaw na itong kalaban, nagmumukha lang itong nakakalamang sa round na ito. Dahil kung aatake ito sa Pinoy ay grabe kong dikdikin at tulakin si Kabayan.
Slapping motion, generate the maximum power you can. Here they go, in the red corner.
Is it Petalcorin with a couple of right hand, left hooks?
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Petalcorin gets down nice and low.
Don't force his head down.
Petalcorin again, just down on the jab nicely. Again,
Nice.
look at that, good stiff left hand.
He followed it with the straight
Right hand,
red
right.
left as well.
Petalcorin is going to go to on Kimweri or on Petalcorin.
Well, I think when
The way Kimweri's coming in, throwing all these.
Swinging the whole body behind it.
a lot of it knocks you off balance,
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, for sure.
which I
That's
that's
Huge left hand by Randy.
Kimweri's in trouble now.
that was the shot.
Kimweri's wobbling.
Oh, saved by the bell.
By the bell.
Saved by the bell.
Tumama ng malinis ang uppercut nitong si Petalcorin pagpasok pa lang na ikapitong round, pero not counted para sa knockdown.
Break. Give it.
Sets up again the 1-2.
Don't hang in there. Don't wrestle.
Eto pa, nakaupo na sa lubid ng kalaban ng paulanan ng Petalcorin ng kalaban. Panoorin nyo ang hatol ng referee at pakinggan ang mga commentators.
So,
And I think Randy knows it. That's why he's coming in hard for it.
Oh,
Big shot, big shot.
That's a knockdown. Then you got to count that a knockdown. He was sitting on the rope.
lucky not to get a count there, Jose. Was Kimweri. He definitely had a bit of a sit down on the right.
Oh, big right hand.
As he gets down really low, Kimweri again.
He's hurt,
in
he's
the
hurt,
blue corner.
he's hurt.
Petalcorin, going to work, Petalcorin.
Now he's coming forward now.
Pressure all the way.
Oh, huge straight left.
Oh, big left hook back from Kimweri.
Just when you think Kimweri back here. Kimweri dropped the big shots, the big bombs. They turn for it. Oh, the clubbing right. Kimweri.
It's working all the time.
The fatigue of that earlier not sort of flurry that had him sitting on the bottom rope.
Oh,
There he
huge
goes again.
left hook.
Kimweri again. How big is this man's heart? Oh, Mark. Oh,
huge right hook.
Great shot.
Boom goes the red. Just give him that little bit of energy he needs.
Oh, huge.
Aggression. Gets back to just trying to box it in. Is it going to come for him?
Break. Clean. Don't punch. Don't punch.
Wear down, just a wear down.
Taking more control of it, keeping the center. Huge right hand by.
What Kimweri's showing
Oh,
that at the
huge.
moment. The boxing.
Oh, straight left at the beginning, and then Kimweri
Down to the body, up to the head goes Kimweri.
from Randy here. He's just hanging out there.
Kimweri. This is Petalcorin. Looks to set the foot.
Omar seems to be getting under him a little bit. Those left hands.
Kimweri. Dave Hegarty getting real vocal. Pokes out the jab again. Looks to set the one. He'll step left, throw right like that.
Keep working.
Oh, huge combination.
Scored again. Down to the body, up to the head. Bit of a head clap. See the stance there. You see Petalcorin. Both hands up. Elbows in. Trying the hand placement and set up that leads to a lot more linear as well.
Kimweri around. He's got to cut that
He's
bit
got,
off.
yeah, he's got.
Oh, huge right working tonight.
Yes. Busy on the inside. The one tackling moving now, starting to really use the perimeter of the ring.
Keep working, keep working.
Kimweri.
Kimweri, 77th of Amari Kimweri.
Oh, Kimweri is... Again, looks to set. Reaches long with that jab. Petalcorin. Oh, the big hook. Kimweri. That's one. When he's in orthodox stance.
Oh, huge right hook. Yeah.
Panay yapos at pag-iwas na madalas ang ginagawa nitong kalaban pagsapit sa ika-10 ng round.
Now, the southpaw. Had some luck earlier.
Yeah, he seemed very comfortable there right now, huh? Yeah, going back to what Julian was saying, he's definitely coming out first, and he's finding some.
1-2. Again, he'll 1-2 follow through into the clinch. Hitting up the clinch.
I'm going to take a point off you, but after the break. 1 point off.
1 point taken away from Kimweri
1 point
after
off
many
on the
verbal
break.
warnings.
The psychological distraction as well, Julian, that will be in the play now for Kimweri. He's going to start Mweri.
But that was his game plan. He's cut dog, pedal corn, and rough him up and all that. And you know,
He does. He just needs to control himself on the brakes.
yeah.
Okay.
That still forward and keeping the pressure on. Randy Petalcorin.
Scoring there.
Oh, good thing for the kids at home.
Oh,
1-2, the 1-2.
huge 1-2 down the middle from Randy.
Yeah, Randy Petalcorin got those 1-2 through nicely. And again keeps the pressure on. The big swing, about the same.
I was just saying, one thing for the kids at home is
Grabe nakakabilib ang bilis nitong ating kababayan mga bossing. Grabe din ang stamina sa laban, nakitang-kita na may lakas pa ang mga suntok na binibitawan nito. At kaya talaga nitong sumagad hanggang sa dulo ng laban.
oh, big
Right,
punch.
there you go. Weaves really low. And then it hooks up.
Break, don't punch, break.
It's got to be up above the waist. Kimweri shakes it off whenever he gets hit and working. Game of psychology in the ring as well.
Oh, there you go.
That's what you got to do.
Much almost going to take that.
His left and coming with a right hook.
Yep, good strategy. Bring distraction with the rear. Oh, stunning Kimweri momentarily.
Don't hold, don't hold, don't hold.
Moves down
Keep
again,
working, keep working.
and they keep working.
As if he would have been controlling the center and being first.
And to me, when he goes into southpaw, he just has focus. But I think it just throws him. Now back to orthodox. Now back to southpaw. Just switch
Okay,
hitting.
break it.
There it is.
Final round na ito mga bossing na kung saan nakataya ang WBC Silver Flyweight title na napakalaking bagay na mauwi ng ating Pinoy pauwi sa ating bansang Pilipinas.
Champ Julian Holland. What do you
Oh,
think?
they're
It was
coming in, they're coming in.
I say go.
This is how they want it.
The red corner.
This is how they want it.
He's leading. He's leading. He survives. He's such a survivor, Kimweri.
Oh my goodness, man! It's been a great battle so far, but even with
Penal cuts needs a stoppage.
Championship fight to yourself, and you've seen so many fights. Oh! He takes a trip down to that and propels himself upward off it. Keeps working. Keep working.
that could have been huge for him. Excuse me.
Let everything go. Petalcorin,
You know, there's some big shots.
the right side of Kimweri's face. It is bruised and battered. Have a look at the swelling on the right under the rock Kimweri.
Yeah.
A massive hematoma under that.
Pushing forward. Let's try to get this knockdown.
The option he has, the red corner.
Let's not wait.
Who will see World Championship bout? Something special we are witnessing here tonight in the
Yellington to finish strong.
Well, it certainly is. Comes here, Kimweri. Attacks that he's renowned for. Looks to cut off Kimweri. The big shots, the big shots.
They're gonna both finish strong here.
Slugging it out, slugging it out
here.
Final bell. There it is.
Good championship fight here.
There it is, folks. 12 rounds.
Kita sa itsura ni Kabayan na alam niyang siya ang mananalo, subalit binawi ito ng hurado na magkamali sila sa binanggit ng panalo sa laban.
And UWBC vacant blue corner! Blue corner!
Oh, a bit of premature celebration. Petalcorin. Kimweri from the Dave Haggerty Gym.
Lugmok na lugmok itong si Kababayan sa pagbawi ng resulta ng laban na pumabor pa sa kabilang panig. Grabe ang ginawa dito kay Randy Pitalcurin mga bossing. Nakakalugmok at nakakapanghina makita ang kababayan nating lumaban ng buong lakas ay tila nabaliktad pa sa laban. Matatandaan na napakadaming puntos na binato nito sa kalaban. Ilang rounds bumagsak ang kalaban na hindi man lang ito nabilangan. Maganda sana kung itinabla na lang nila ang laban, subalit dahil may titulong nakataya sa laban na ito, ay paniguradong dapat may mananalo sa laban na ito. Ito ay walang iba kundi ang kanilang pambato sa Australia. Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.